bodies in every way. We run, we jump, we laugh, we play to stay fit, healthy, strong each day.
Move your body, yes it's true. Sports are fun for me and you.
Indoors, outdoors, rain or sun, come and see how sports are fun. Football needs a ball and goal. 2 teams play and that's the role. 11 players on each side. On a big green field, run far and wide.
Kick the ball and run, run, run. Playing football is so much fun. Badminton needs a racket light and a shuttlecock to hit just right.
2 or 4 players hit and play. Across the net in the hall we play.
Swing and hit up to the sky. Badminton makes the shuttle fly.
Hockey needs a stick and ball. 2 teams play in 10 in all.
On a field or court we play, passing fast and scoring, yay! Dribble, pass and shoot the goal. Hockey helps us move and roll.
Bowling needs a ball so round. Pin standing tall on the ground. 1 player rolls 1 by 1 in a bowling lane. Strike is fun.
Roll it straight, knock pins down. Bowling makes a happy sound.
Tennis needs a racket too, and a bouncy ball for you.
1 or 2 players on the court, hit it over the net for sport. Bounce and hit, quick and bright. Tennis keeps us fit and light.
Taekwondo needs a uniform white. We kick and block with strength and might. 1 by 1 we train each day. Self-defense and strong we stay.
Kick and block, stand up tall. Taekwondo teaches respect to all.
Sports are fun, we learn today. So many games we love to play.
With friends or family, big or small, let's play sports and have fun all.
Move your body, yes it's true. Sports are fun for me and you.
Play each day, laugh and run. Fit and healthy, sports are fun.